Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Winter's inspired cottage home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Winter's inspired cottage decor is a cozy, nostalgic style that blends old world charm with soft, comfortable living. It feels warm, lived-in, and slightly romantic, like a peaceful countryside home, filled with history and personality. This style often includes soft faded colors like cream, pastel pink, trace green, and light blue, with floral patterns and delicate prints. Antique or antique style furniture, cozy textiles like crochet lace and cotton, use a slightly owned loved look, not brand new or perfect. Key features: antique and vintage furniture like wooden cabinets, distressed tables, and old style chairs. Pieces may look aged or slightly chipped. This adds charm. Soft and feminine fabrics uses floral curtains, lace tablecloths, and crochet cushions. Light, airy fabrics that feel gentle and cozy. Uses neutral plus pastel color palette. Base colors use white, beige, or cream. Accents: soft green, blush pink, and pale yellow. Decorative accessories use vintage teacups, old clocks, and glass chairs. Framed botanical prints or old paintings use handmade items like crochet or embroidery. Nature-inspired touch: fresh or dried flowers in vases. Use indoor plants, natural materials like oat, wicker, and linen. Overall feeling: Winter's cottage decor creates a space that feels calm and peaceful, warm and welcoming. Simple but beautiful, full of memories and personality. It is not about perfection, it is about comfort, softness, and charm. Imagine a small room with a floral sofa, wooden coffee table with a slightly owned finish, crochet cushions, a vase of fresh flowers, soft sunlight coming through lace curtains. That is the heart of vintage cottage style. Here are some simple, beautiful tips to create a cozy vintage-inspired cottage decor, perfect for your love of warm, charming spaces. Start with soft vintage colors. Use a base of white, cream, or light gray. Add your favorite tones like soft green, red, or brown. You can absolutely mix your old colors. Keep everything slightly muted, not too bright. Even a gray kitchen can feel cottage style with pastel or warm accessories. Mix old and new furniture. Don't replace everything. Mix your current furniture with vintage style pieces. Look for wooden, slightly owned, or antique look items. A simple trick: add a wood tray or tools for the rustic touch. Add cozy handmade textiles. Use crochet cushions, lace curtains, or cotton threads. Floral prints instantly give a cottage feel. Handmade items like crochet work are perfect here. Decorate with the small vintage details. Display teacups, jars, old plates, or small baskets. Use open shelves to show your items. Add a vintage clock or frame to add. Tip: group items in threes for a balanced, aesthetic look. Bring nature inside. Add fresh flowers or dried flowers. Use simple vases or glass jars. A few green plants make the space feel alive. Keep it simple and lived in. Don't overcrowd your space. Let things feel natural, soft, and slightly imperfect. A little messy, cozy look is actually perfect for this style. Use soft lighting for a cozy glow. Choose warm yellow lights instead of bright white. Add table lamps with fabric shades. Use candles or fairy lights for a dreamy feel. Soft lighting instantly makes your home feel calm and romantic. Add wicker and natural baskets. Use baskets for storage and decoration. Perfect for keeping vegetables, towels, or crochet items. Adds a natural, rustic texture. Decorate walls with vintage charm. Hang old-style frames, mirrors, or botanical prints. Mix different frame sizes for a collected look. Wooden or gold frames work beautifully. Style your kitchen like a cottage. Keep everyday items visible, like chairs, cups, or plates. Hang mugs or utensils for a farmhouse feel. Use clusters for spices and cranes. Your kitchen should feel like a warm, lived-in space, not hidden away. Layer textures for extra comfort. Mix cotton, crochet, linen, and tulle. Add multiple cushions and shelves. Layering creates a rich, cozy look. Add a touch of imperfect beauty. Don't worry about everything being perfect. Slightly chipped paint or edged out equal more character. Handmade items feel more special than store-bought. Create small cozy corners. Make a tiny reading or tea corner. Add a chair, cushion, small table, and plant. This gives your home a peaceful cottage vibe. Since you love crochet and cozy decor, try this. Make a crochet table runner or cushion set. Use it in your kitchen or sofa area. It will instantly give a handmade vintage cottage feel. Use wooden touches everywhere. Add wooden trays, cutting boards, or shelves. Even small wooden items bring warmth instantly. Don't hide them. Display them openly. Create a cute tea or coffee corner. Use a small tray with cups, jars, and a teapot. Add a tiny plant or flowers. Keep it simple but pretty. This becomes a beautiful focal point in your kitchen. Use glass and ceramic containers. Store rice, spices, tea in clear jars or ceramic pots. It looks neat and decorative at the same time. Label them for extra charm. Add curtains and soft window decor. Use light cotton or lace curtains. Floral or soft prints work best. Let sunlight come in for a fresh feel. Mix patterns but keep it soft. Combine floral plus a stripe plus a small checks. Keep colors in the same soft tone family. This adds personality without looking messy. Use slipcovers for instant change. Cover sofas or chairs with cotton slipcovers. Choose floral or neutral shades. It is an easy and budget-friendly makeover. Add a story to your space. Decorate with items that feel meaningful. Old books, handmade crafts, and family pictures. Let your home feel personal, not showroom perfect. Final cozy secret. Keep everything light, airy, and emotional. Don't rush. Build your decor slowly over time. The beauty of cottage style is in its comfort and memories, not perfection. Since you enjoy crochet and cozy kitchen decor, try this. Make crochet jar covers, cup coasters, or shelf liners. Use your red plus green plus brown yarns. It will blend beautifully with your pre-kitchen and gives a warm vintage cottage vibe. Use floral touches in small details. Add floral in a small vase, like cushions, tablecloth, or napkins. Don't overdo it. Keep it soft and balanced. Tiny prints feel more vintage than bold ones. Keep your space light and airy. Avoid heavy dark clutter. Let natural light flow inside. Use mirrors to reflect light and make space feel bigger. Hide clutter in pretty ways. Use fabric boxes, baskets, or wooden crates. Keep things organized but still beautiful. Everything should look decorative, even storage. Add a little DIY charm. Paint old jars or bottles. Create simple handmade wall art. Upcycle items instead of throwing them away. DIY adds personality and saves money. Try open shelving style. Makes useful plus decorative items. Examples: jars plus plants plus a small frame. Leave some empty space so it doesn't look crowded. Make your bed super cozy. Layer blankets, cushions, and soft sheets. Use light colors or soft floral prints. Keep it inviting and comfortable. Add soft background fill. Play soft music while relaxing. Light a candle or enjoy the time. Create a beautiful daily routine in your space. Create a signature scent for your home. Use candles, incenses, or essential oils. Try scents like lavender, vanilla, rose, or lemon. A gentle fragrance makes your home feel calm and welcoming. Cottage style is not just visual, it is a full cozy experience. Keep furniture low and relaxed. Choose simple, low height furniture. Add floor cushions or small tools. This creates a relaxed, informal cottage feel. Display your handmade work proudly. Show off your crochet feet. Don't hide them. Use them as decor, plus functional items. Hang or fold them neatly on baskets or chairs. This makes your home truly unique and personal. Add a slight outdoor feeling inside. Keep windows open when possible. Add plants near sunlight areas. Use natural textures like stone, clay, or wood. Use small mirrors to expand space. Place mirrors so they reflect light or plants. Choose vintage style frames. Makes small rooms feel bigger and brighter. Add books for warmth and character. Stack a few old or small books on tables or shelves. Pair with a plant or candle. It creates a soft, intellectual, cozy vibe. Keep a soft color flow room to room. Repeat similar colors in every room. Example: a little green plus brown plus soft red in each space. This makes your home feel connected and peaceful. Leave a few areas slightly empty. This gives your decor room to breathe. Too many items can remove that calm cottage feeling. Hot paintings inspired cottage decor really means this style is a mix of vintage, old, nostalgic, slightly owned items. Cottage, simple, cozy, countryside living. Together, it creates a home that feels warm and welcoming, soft and peaceful, personal and full of memories. is not about luxury, it is about comfort and charm. Lift and look. Nothing should feel too new or perfect. Slightly warm, vivid colors and soft textures are good. Your home should look like it has a story. Comfort over perfection. Soft cushions, cozy blankets, and simple furniture. Space is designed for relaxing, not showing off. Nature connection, flowers, plants, sunlight, fresh air, natural materials like wood, cotton, linen, and clay. Handmade and personal touch, crochet, DIY decor, family items, things that reflect you, not just trends. What makes it special? Emotional comfort. This style is about how your home makes you feel safe, calm, happy. Timeless beauty. It doesn't follow fast trends. It always feels classic and cozy. Imperfection is beautiful. Small scratches, faded fabric, handmade items. These are not flaws, they are character. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.